Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this visual in just a few minutes with Omi. It's super simple. You just need to create a new scene using the basic template. I recommend waiting for the first preview here at the beginning. It takes a bit of time to load, but after that, it'll all load much faster. The first thing you need to do is choose the ratio. So here we're creating a story, so I click on story. Then I want to place my product horizontally, so I go to the tilt option, enter 90 degrees, a right angle, and we see the product lie flat. Next, you need to position the base product relative to the camera, for example, like this. Then we exit the render view and switch to the working view to have more control over what we're doing. Navigate the studio without affecting the final render view. We can also make the preview bigger here to get a better sense of what's happening in the scene. Now let's create the stack. It's super easy, so I'm going to select my product and duplicate it before placing it on top of the other product. I first apply a rotation, a pivot of about 40 degrees, which gives it a 45-degree effect almost, but not too much. Then I simply move it on top of the other product. There, I can see it looks pretty good. We're well aligned. Now I duplicate these products. They already have the correct angle, so I can place them on top like this. As you can see, in less than 2 minutes, I've already recreated the visual. I adjust the preview to be more comfortable. Then I'm going to raise the camera a bit because right now we can see too much of the floor. I click on this button and I slide my mouse. Then I slightly reduce the zoom and move my scene. We can change the background color. So I'm going to click on the background, change the color, and I can use this eyedropper, for example, to pick the brown for my product like this. I can also go to the library and search for water drops to add to my visual. So water drops. For example, like these ones. I'll place them here. To add a bit of more realism, I like to slightly reduce the size and use the levitate tool to make them sink slightly into the ground, giving the impression that they're really sitting on the surface like this. Now we wait for the final preview. Perfect. Finally, we can play around with the lighting. For example, in packaging, there are some beautiful reflections for glass products. When we're happy with the result, it's very simple. Just press the generate button and give it a name. And that's it, tutorial finished.